On the last video, you watched as I washed and retwisted my hair. And on this video, let's try some different lock styles that I love to wear. Ain't nothing like you. Love yourself like no one else. I'm telling the truth. You. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Princess. Thank you so much for joining me. This video is going to show you 3 different styles that you can do on locked hair if your hair is short or like collarbone length. These are just 3 different styles that you can do. So the first one is pretty much the down, wearing your hair down. You can wear it like this. It's cute, and this is like my go-to style. I always wear my hair parted to the side like this. Sometimes, let me see if my hair do it. I just retwisted my hair. Yeah, it's not lean today because I just retwisted it, but I could also do like mine's not really a middle part, but yeah, it ain't gonna do it today. All right, so we ain't gonna do that one. This is half up, half down with some little side pieces. I'm gonna do a little bond up here instead of having it out. There we go. Or you can put these 2 pieces up. Yeah, I love this look. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. And I actually like to have styles that actually make me look my age because I am 30. But I'm a young 30. But this little thing for my jacket is really goodness. I'm a young 30 though. I'm lying. I'm 31. I see what they mean when they say after you turn 30. You forget how you are. You 30 forever. Okay, I am 31, y'all. I just said I'm 30. That is too funny. I was real serious. All right, so the next style, because I don't like really doing the side ponytails, like 2 ponytails or whatever. But you can never go wrong with a ponytail to the bike. Actually, I'm gonna do my other side. My favorite style is gonna be up like this. This is my favorite style. Like, literally, I think it's my profile picture on Facebook and Instagram style. I hope I don't mess up my hair doing this. I just did my retwist. And it's kind of, what I'm gonna do is kind of like a donut without those pre-made donuts. I'm just gonna kind of like stick my hand in the middle up here and put this over. I'm gonna use 2 of these sponges, so give me a second. I had to get my black one. So I can put that one on first so it can kind of blend in, and then put the other one on top to give it more of a Normally, I would put the big scrunchie on first and then the small one, but in this clip, I did not do that. However, that's usually how it goes. It's kind of giving me what I'm looking for. Now I gotta like pin it in. My hair is longer now. I haven't did this style in forever. It's kind of giving me. It's giving. It's giving. Look at this little piece from the hang. That would have been cute back there. If I had like some little jewels, I'll probably keep it hanging like that. With a jewel on the end. One of these days, I'll probably do that. Okay, so that's giving. The bun is kind of like going in. That's cool. I'm gonna put this one over it. You know, I love my cheetah print. Well, if you don't know, now you know. There we go. That's another style. It's like a donut at the top. Kind of similar to a donut. Kind of similar to the donut at the top. I don't know what it's looking like in the back, but you know, if I'm not rushing, it'll be more neater. But pretty much, this is what it's giving. This is what it's giving. This is different. Anyways, that's that. And then I said 3 styles. Oh, it was three styles. I don't have no other style. This is pretty much what I like to do if I ain't got no hat on. And so the other style I'm gonna show you right here again. I had the little down ponytail, little bun up there. And then, oh, I do have another style. Hold on, let me go get my headband and then I'll show y'all. Done got longer, y'all. It's kind of hard doing this round. I ain't doing. I'm telling y'all, I usually just want my hair down. I ain't did this in forever. I only do this when my hair is not twisted. But I've been home a lot, so I haven't been doing anything. So you can do this. I'll just pull it up at the top, and then just circle it around like this. Yeah, no matter how long I have to do that now. Now, I only usually do this style when my hair is not retwisted, and then I throw on my headband or whatever headband I have that's gonna match my outfit. Sometimes I used to do my daughter headbands, but you know, it is what it is. But that's cute. Y'all see the vibes? Y'all see the vibes? Y'all see the hair? Y'all see how it moves? Y'all see this? Y'all see it? Let me put my jacket on because it's kind of match. This is why I got the spray all over me. This may be the fit for the day. The style for the day right here. Let's see. Y'all see the vibes. Anyways, thank you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. You see the 3 styles or the 4 styles. This is the bonus one that I've showed you today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and subscribe and press that bell so you know when other videos are posted. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. We're about to enjoy this snow. Yay!